Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest Garmin watches on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best Garmin watches of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name, Garmin VivoActive 5. The Garmin VivoActive 5 is a versatile health and fitness GPS smartwatch designed to cater to a wide range of active lifestyles. This latest addition to Garmin's lineup boasts an AMOLED display, offering vibrant and clear visuals, which enhance the user experience whether you're tracking your fitness activities or simply checking the time. Key features. AMOLED display. The VivoActive 5 features a bright and clear AMOLED display, providing excellent visibility in various lighting conditions. This high-resolution screen enhances the user experience with crisp graphics and smooth transitions. Health and fitness tracking. The smartwatch is equipped with comprehensive health and fitness tracking capabilities. It monitors heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep patterns, and stress levels, providing users with a holistic view of their health and well-being. GPS functionality. Integrated GPS allows for accurate tracking of outdoor activities such as running, cycling, and hiking. Battery life. One of the standout features of the VivoActive 5 is its impressive battery life, lasting up to 11 days on a single charge. This extended battery life makes it a reliable companion for long trips and daily use without frequent recharging. Product 2. Product name, Garmin Forerunner 55. The Garmin Forerunner 55 is a GPS running watch designed to enhance your training experience and overall fitness. Available in a stylish aqua color, this watch offers a range of features that cater to both novice and experienced runners. It stands out with its daily suggested workouts, which provide tailored exercise recommendations based on your fitness level and goals. This functionality helps users to efficiently plan their workouts and progress steadily towards their fitness targets. One of the most notable features of the Garmin Forerunner 55 is its impressive battery life, which can last up to 2 weeks on a single charge. This extended battery life ensures that the watch can keep up with your daily routines and long training sessions without frequent recharging. In addition to its running-specific capabilities, the Forerunner 55 includes various health and wellness tracking features, such as heart rate monitoring, stress tracking, and sleep analysis. These features provide a comprehensive overview of your overall health, helping you to make informed decisions about your fitness and lifestyle. Product 3. Product name, Garmin Venu 3S. The Garmin Venu 3S is a sophisticated smartwatch designed to blend style with functionality, catering to users who seek both aesthetic appeal and advanced health and fitness tracking features. Featuring a soft gold stainless steel bezel, this smartwatch is both elegant and durable, making it suitable for various occasions and environments. The Venu 3S is equipped with a 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen display, providing vibrant colors and clear visibility even in direct sunlight. The 41mm French grey case, coupled with a comfortable silicone band, ensures a snug fit for extended wear, making it ideal for daily use and various physical activities. In terms of functionality, the Garmin Venu 3S offers a comprehensive suite of health and fitness tracking capabilities. It includes advanced metrics such as heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, blood oxygen levels, and stress tracking. Additionally, it supports a wide range of sports and activities with preloaded workout profiles, allowing users to accurately track their performance and progress. Product 4. Product name, Garmin VivoActive 4S. The Garmin VivoActive 4S is a versatile, smaller-sized GPS smartwatch designed to cater to a range of fitness and health monitoring needs. Below is an overview of its key features and functionalities, particularly relevant to your interest in fitness and technology gadgets. Key features. Music integration. The VivoActive 4S allows you to download songs directly to the watch, including playlists from Spotify, Amazon Music, or Deezer. Subscription may be required. This feature enables you to enjoy your favorite music during workouts without the need for a phone. Body energy monitoring. Utilizing Garmin's body battery energy monitoring, the watch helps you understand your energy levels throughout the day. It uses data from heart rate variability, stress, sleep, and other metrics to gauge when you're at your peak for activity and when it's time to rest. Animated workouts. The watch offers on-screen, animated cardio, strength, yoga, and Pilates workouts that you can easily follow along with. These workouts are designed to help you maintain proper form and maximize your fitness routines. Product 5. Product name Garmin Forerunner 945. The Garmin Forerunner 945 is a premium GPS running and triathlon smartwatch designed for serious athletes and fitness enthusiasts. It offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to enhance performance tracking and training effectiveness. Key features. Advanced performance metrics. The Forerunner 945 tracks a wide range of performance metrics including VO2 max, training load, aerobic and anaerobic training effects, and more. This helps athletes understand their fitness levels and optimize their training regimens. GPS and navigation. Equipped with full-color onboard maps, the watch provides precise GPS tracking, ensuring accurate distance, pace, and route navigation. It's ideal for both urban environments and off-road adventures.